Hello students, myself Rajesh Kumar Sharma, your biology teacher. Today we will summarize the chapter 4, that is reproductive health. As you know, we have finished chapter 4. Today we will summarize. Before going to summarize the chapter 4, I would like to tell you about your PA1 question paper, that is syllabus and pattern of question paper. As in my previous lecture, I also told about your syllabus. The questions will be asked from chapter 1st and chapter 2nd. Chapter 1st, that is reproduction in organism. Chapter 2nd, that is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. These two chapters are covered in your PA1 exam. Clear? And what is the pattern of question paper? There are total 25 questions. Of that, 16 questions are MCQ, multiple choice question, that is of 1 marks, and 7 questions are of 2 marks, and 2 questions are of 5 marks. Clear? Means 16, 7, 23 and 2, 25 क्वेश्चन. टोटल आपके कितने 25 क्वेश्चन रहेंगे, जिनमें से 16 1 नंबर का, 7 आपके 2 नंबर के और 2 आपका 5 नंबर का. क्लियर? टोटल जो है आपके मार्क्स हो जाएंगे 40. क्लियर? क्वेश्चंस कैसे हैं? तो क्वेश्चन जो है इन्हीं 2 चैप्टर से हैं. MCQ आप कर लेंगे, लाइक लाइफ स्पान हो गया, ओस्ट्रस साइकिल हो गया. इस टाइप के जो क्वेश्चंस आपको मिलेंगे, डायोसियस, मोनोसियस, इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आपको मिलेंगे. फिगर 1-2 रेडी कर लीजिएगा. फ्लावर कैलस टाइप, और हो गया पॉलिनेशन, और इस टाइप ये ग्रास एम्ब्रियो, मोनोकाटिलिडन सीड. दिस टाइप आप क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड इन आवर एग्जाम पेपर. क्लियर? लेट अस summarize the chapter 4. Clear? As we have already discussed the chapter 4, that is reproductive health. Reproductive health refers to total well-being in all aspects of reproduction. Means पूरी तरीके से रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए हेल्दी रहना. That is physical, emotional, behavioral and social. Our nation was the first nation in the world to initiate various action plans at national level towards attaining a reproductively healthy society. Counseling and creating awareness among people about reproductive organs, adolescence, and associated changes. Safe and hygienic sexual practice, sexually transmitted diseases including AIDS, etc. is primary step toward the reproductive health. Providing medical facilities and care to the problems like menstrual irregularities, pregnancy related aspects, delivery, medical termination of pregnancy, STD, birth control, infertility, postnatal child and maternal management is another important aspect of the reproductive and child health care program. An overall involvement in reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated by reduced maternal and infant mortality रेट्स. मीन्स गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा जो है प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किए गए हैं रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, उससे उसका पता कैसे चलता है? उसका पता चलता है जो कि मैटरनल मॉर्टिलिटी रेट और इन्फेंट मॉर्टिलिटी रेट अब काफ़ी कम हो गया है. दो इट इज़ हायर एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज़ or developed countries, but we have improved through these programs in reducing maternal mortality rate and infant mortality rate. Clear? Means an overall improvement in reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated by reduced maternal and infant mortality rates, early detection and cure of STDs, assistance to infertile couples, etc. Improved health facilities and better living conditions promoted an explosive growth of population. मीन्स हेल्थ फैसिलिटी के इम्प्रूव होने से और लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड या लिविंग कंडीशन इम्प्रूव होने से पॉपुलेशन जो है बहुत तेज़ी से बढ़ा है. सच ए ग्रोथ नेसेसिटेड इंटेंस प्रोपेगेशन ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड्स. वेरियस कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव ऑप्शंस आर अवेलेबल नाउ सच एज नेचुरल, ट्रेडिशनल, barrier, IUDs, pills, injectables, implants and surgical methods. Though contraceptives are not regular requirement for reproductive health, one is forced to use them to avoid pregnancy or to delay or space between two children. Medical termination of pregnancy is legalized in our country. MTP is generally performed to get rid of unwanted pregnancies due to rape, casual relationship, etc. As also in cases when the continuation of pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal to either of mother or to the fetus. Diseases are infections transmitted through sexual intercourse are called sexually transmitted diseases. Pelvic inflammatory disease, stillbirth, infertility are some of the complications of them. Early detection and facilities. Better cure of these diseases. Avoiding sexual intercourse with unknown or multiple partners, use of condom during coitus are some of simple precautions to avoid contracting STDs. Inability to conceive or produce children even after 2 years of unprotected sexual cohabitation is called infertility. Various methods are now available to help such couples. In vitro fertilization followed by transfer of embryo into female genital tract is one of such methods and is commonly known as test tube baby program. This is all about your chapter 4. We will start next chapter in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.